scenario, there are so many platforms are available.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
And with the help of social medias, I think we can explore whatever we want, right? It is.
Now, because of this kind of environment, most of the beginners are here, just they learn like tenses and modals and they start speaking English. But
Mm,
okay, so as you know that my name is Sushma and I'm from Delhi. I'm a homemaker and blessed with two children. And talking about my qualification, so I have done my graduation from in arts from Delhi University. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, so nowadays I have only one hobby to watch the conversational videos and podcasts to enhance my communication skill and talking with the people,
okay.
different people. And simultaneously, I'm running a YouTube channel named
Yeah.
Communication Hub. Yeah. So yeah, that's all about myself. Thank you for asking.
Okay. Okay. That's a great profile, ma'am. Yeah. Here, I'm Nimisha Deepu. I'm a Keralite, but currently speaking from Bihar because by profession I'm a
Okay.
teacher. I work here in a private school. It's a CBSE school. Yeah,
Hmm.
and my hobby is also same like you. Just learning English is my hobby nowadays.
Yeah. That's good. Because nowadays, most of the ladies or most of the people we can say they are in this journey. They try to be fluent in English, right?
Yeah.
Because it is spoken everywhere. It is prevalent these days.
Hmm.
So that's why
Yeah.
everyone wants to be fluent in English.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah.
Wherever we go, irrespective of the location, we can use English, right? Yeah.
Hmm.
There is
Yeah.
no
Right.
boundaries.
Right.
There is no such
Yeah.
physical barriers.
Barriers. Yeah. Nowadays, everyone can easily learn
Hmm.
or be fluent in this language because of this scenario. There are so many platforms are available.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah.
And with the help of social medias, I think we can explore whatever we want, right? It is only we have to
Hmm.
decide what thing we should consume, what should we have to consume, whether it is positive or bad things.
Yeah. Right.
Hmm.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So ma'am, how long
Hmm.
it's been you are learning this language?
Yeah, it's been more than 2 years. But
Hmm.
earlier, I had worked a lot on my grammar portion only because most of the people say in grammar is most important. You have to have the profound knowledge about the grammar first. Then you will switch the,
Hmm.
in speaking part.
Yeah.
But nowadays the teacher said no, there is no need to go in deep grammar, right? So just 20 to 30% grammar is enough for speaking. So now because of this kind of environment, most of the beginners are here, just they learn tenses and modals and they start speaking English. But
Mm.
earlier it was not happening with me, but that's why I worked a lot on my grammar portion.
Hmm.
Then I switch the speaking
Yes,
part.
yes.
Since
So,
1 year, I have been practicing
okay.
using
So,
this kind of applications. Yeah.
yeah,
Hmm.
it means you might have learned a lot of things in grammar, right? Grammar side. So,
Exactly. Yeah.
whether it has helped you or what's your opinion? On which ground we have to focus on, whether grammar or fluency level? Because most of the people, even I would suggest the same. Do not concentrate more on grammar. I would say,
Hmm.
I like to say that because even in our mother tongue, I don't think that we are
Yeah.
capable to use grammatical portion or we don't have much. Even I'm not that much, what I can say, knowledgeable in grammar portion in my mother tongue, Malayalam. So
Hmm.
we have to speak out, right? So
Yeah, right, right.
what is your opinion here?
Yeah, in my point of view, if we are learning this language in this age,
Hmm.
right? So for that, the people need some grammar, right? Because some basic grammar rules they should know to start their speaking part, speak in English, right? So, like, if we are learning in this age, so we have to have the knowledge about the tenses and models and other like some
Hmm.
advanced structures. So then you can start your speaking journey. And while observing the people, like if we are going to that kind of videos or shadowing practice is also there. So these kind of videos, if we follow or repeat again and again that the things, so we can learn this language. Otherwise, grammar is like basic grammar is need to be fluent, right?
Hmm.
Because
Yeah.
without grammar, how can we form any kind of sentences,
Hmm.
right? So if we are learning the language in this age, so that from the if we are going to learn this language from the scratch, so we should no we should have the profound knowledge about the like
Hmm.
tenses or models,
Yeah.
so that you can then after you will gradually learn all the things while speaking with the people, while conversing with the people,
Yeah.
or if you are surrounded with the people like every time in English. So there is no need to grammar, I think. No need to learn grammar because observing the people we can easily learn.
Hmm.
Suppose
Yeah.
we get a chance to go abroad, or we are like since morning till night we are surrounded with the English people. So we can easily learn. We can easily be fluent in this language. No
Hmm.
need to learn any kind of grammar or any other thing because I have seen and some videos like in abroad there are like some beggars over there, right? But they are not learning any kind of grammar or any kind of rules. Still they are speaking English over there. So why? Because they are surrounded with the people, with the English people,
Hmm.
like every time, every moment. So
Yeah.
that's why listening the people, observing the people, and repeated the same sentences again and again, so they will be fluent.
Hmm.
That time we can say no need to learn, no need to grab any kind of knowledge of grammar.
Yeah. It will
Just
naturally come up, right?
naturally come up and like a child, like
Hmm.
a
Yeah.
child because child the in that child who are surrounded with their native speakers, so no need to learn any kind of grammar for that child to be
Hmm.
fluent in their
Hmm.
native language,
In such
right?
a condition, we will learn all the grammatical portion without knowing that this is the grammar path, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right, right.
But my point was to say that somewhat I'm on board. But my point was to say that I mean, we can take the instance of the people who live in India. We are not. I mean, our mother tongue is not English. So in that case,
Mm.
some people, even I used to do that before trying to speak out. I was just trying to focus on the grammar only the grammar side. But I
Yeah,
think somehow we have to try to speak out, right? Then after,
right.
if we got the path, then we can try to improve ourselves by learning
Yeah,
grammatical
exactly.
portions, extra fancy
Mm.
words, idiom phrases like that. First, we have to try to speak out. I think so. This is my
Yeah, right.
opinion.
Without, yeah. Speaking comes by speaking. It is
Mm,
at
yeah,
that,
correct.
right? Like if we have like earlier, and it is my example. I can, I can see that in my example that because earlier I had a profound knowledge about the grammar, but
Hmm.
without missing the speaking part. So I was unable to utter a single sentence in a proper way.
Hmm.
Although I had the knowledge, profound knowledge about the grammar, I knew everything earlier.
Yeah.
I could easily understand the written part, right? But because speaking part was missing over there.
Hmm.
So then after, when I got this kind of application, so I start speaking over there with the people, and then I got the confidence, and or I remove my all hesitation, and then then I now I am able to talk with the people easily.
Yeah.
I can easily
Actually, with
reply
the
them.
help of social medias, life became somewhat easy, right? We
Right.
we can learn anything we want, and moreover, that we can say that life became so much easier. Like nowadays, digital payment and like other
Hmm.
social media, right?
Exactly,
Isn't
yeah.
it? Yeah.
Right. Because of social media, now normal people can like they are easily learn all the things.
Hmm.
like how to pay the, like how to pay by the phone, by the Google Pay, by the Paytm,
Yeah.
because they don't know about anything in English, but still they are using, or they are learning these type of things, right? So it
Yeah.
is because of social media.
Yeah,
Because of
correct.
that, the people, because only like the vendor person, the vendor who are selling something on their while wandering here and there, they have still, like any kind of online payment,
Hmm.
scammer or scan,
Yeah.
while scanning
Hmm.
the people, they can pay, or
Hmm.
yeah, this kind of thing they are learning, that but they don't have so much knowledge about the English, but still they are using this
Yeah.
kind of, yeah, it is
Hmm.
because of social media,
Yeah. Nowadays,
because that,
everybody
yeah.
knows somewhat basic knowledge about whether it is social media or English, whatever it is. Everybody has a basic
Hmm.
knowledge.
Exactly, yeah.
Mm, yeah.
They are very much aware of that, because for that there is no need to carry lots of amount, lots of
Mm,
money in your pocket.
yeah.
So it is also good for like that, because
Yeah.
some that can be stolen. But how can they stole? How can they steal, like your online payment or any other thing? They can steal
Mm.
your card, but not money.
Yeah, correct. If we keep
Yeah.
money in our pocket, then there is a huge tendency to, buy anything, whatever we see. There might be a tendency to purchase all the things. If we keep the money on
Hmm.
bank account, then that time, I think so. We will not purchase
Hmm.
that much items when we go out, right?
Yeah.
If we have the money
Hmm.
on our pocket,
Exactly.
then we will purchase all the things,
Oh.
right?
Yeah, because we were unable to carry so much money in our pocket that time
Mm, yeah.
because of fear. So
Mm,
that is the thing. Like,
yeah.
and whenever we have to carry the like a good amount of money in our pocket, so that time we have to be careful to go
Yeah, correct.
anywhere.
Every time we have
But
to
nowadays,
check our pockets and
yeah,
bags,
right,
whatever it is. And
exactly,
now
yeah.
it became easier. We have to just keep our phone
Hmm.
safe, or otherwise
Yeah,
ATM card.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now is everything is phone,
Yeah,
not
now
money.
even ATM
Like,
card also became useless. I think at some
yes,
extent it became useless. We can use phone.
useless, yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
Hmm.
And in
Without
one of
phone,
the
we are
videos,
just.
sorry, continue.
Hmm. Yeah, I was saying that without phone, we are just nothing, right? Because everything is in our phone.
Correct.
So it's okay if I lose our phone. So it means we lose everything. Like,
Yeah,
because
correct.
in phone all things are available in our phone only,
Yeah,
because all the
correct.
bank account, all
Uh,
the
all the sensitive things like
necessary
photos, videos, and other
videos,
documents.
yeah,
Yeah.
documents, yeah, important documents, office documents, files. There are so many things
Even
which
we
is
have a
very
tendency to
confidential.
keep our educational certificates also, right? We
Yeah,
keep a
exactly.
photocopy on that. We scan all the certificates and keep it aside, or like a folder.
Exactly. Yeah. If we need the original, so that time we need the original documents. Otherwise, we can easily, work make do for
Yeah.
those things only. Hmm.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so ma'am, when I went through your video for the first time, that time I was feeling like you just resembles one of my colleagues.
Oh,
Exactly. She's also Keralite.
really?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. And for 1 or 2 minutes, I was confused that whether it's the same person. And I checked the
Really? Okay.
page. Yeah, and I was watching your videos one by one, and then I got to know that this is the another one. This is the
Another
I
one.
mean,
Yeah.
yeah, this is not the same person. Yeah, somewhat it is correct. I felt
Okay.
so that everybody says that there would be 7%, right?
7%.
Yeah, seven
Yeah. The
persons
same
with the
face. Yeah.
same
Same
face.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah. There would be the 7%. Yeah. Right. I also listen that, but I haven't, like, one or two I could see, but not that seven. How can we see the
I don't
7%?
know, but everybody
Yeah.
says so. Yeah, but
Yeah,
yeah.
everybody says yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, I
like,
also
for the
listen that.
first time, I was just confused. Oh, is it Shibi ma'am? No.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, like, who is that? Like, she's your friend or
She,
just a colleague or any
yeah, she's my
friend?
colleague and friend too. Yeah.
Okay.
If she
Okay, that's
had a
nice.
YouTube channel, then definitely she will tell me. But till the date, she didn't tell like that anything.
Okay.
So I was just confused.
Hmm.
Oh my God, who is it?
Okay. So she has also a YouTube channel. She's also a YouTuber.
No, no, she doesn't have any YouTube
Okay.
channel. But I was just
Okay, that's
confused by seeing you.
convenient. Okay. Okay, that's why you wanted to talk to me, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's what the first impression.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's what the first way I got on stuck on your video.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So, okay, I have like, I have a question for you. Like,
Yeah,
if you
I
want
thought
to,
I felt
dis
so because you were carrying a pen with your I mean in your hand, right? Yeah, that time
yeah.
I was thinking that oh she might have a question for me.
No, because most of the time I carry like a pen at my in my home.
Mhm.
And
I
yeah.
do have, but I don't know when where the pen it is. But I have a notebook now.
Okay, yeah, because nowadays I am learning the new words like fancy words. I'm trying to incorporate that kind of words in my conversation. So that's why it is the good way to recall all the words. Like we have to put the words in front of us whenever we have a conversation with the
Yes,
people.
yes, yes.
So while glancing that word, so we can use that word, we can incorporate that word in our conversation with the
Mm.
people.
Yeah.
So this is the good way to learn or to recall all the fancy words, or
Mhm.
that can settled in our that is the only way that we can settle that word in our subconscious mind, right?
Yeah, correct.
So again and again reiterate. We have to reiterate all the words again and again. So this
Mm.
is the way to learn. So this
Yeah,
is also my
correct.
technique.
Exactly.
Because
When
yeah,
you
I had a conversation with Rajni ma'am, so she suggested me like you should do that.
Hmm.
And like 2 days ago also I had a conversation, and
I have watched that
last year
video.
also. Okay, so last year also I had two conversation with her, but
Okay.
yeah.
Hmm.
So that and then I also wanted to talk to her, so that's why I mailed her 2 to 3 times. Then she accepted my mail
Hmm.
and had a conversation with her.
I mailed
Yeah,
her, but I think she is quite busy.
busy.
So
Yeah,
till
right.
the date she didn't reply to me. So I'm waiting for that.
Hmm. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. She will reply whenever she get time, so she will definitely reply.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so my question was like, if you want to describe yourself like in 3 to 4 words, so what kind of
Three to
words
four
they?
words. Oh
Yeah.
my God, 3 to 4 words. I was expecting you to ask a paragraph, but you are asking 3 to 4 words.
So
Mm,
yeah, because okay, you
yeah,
can just
if I
reply that.
I am a sulpot. I don't know. I didn't want to spill the beans, but still, I would like to say that yeah,
Hmm.
I'm a sulpot, and what I can say, yeah, I'm a determined person. At the same time,
That's great.
sometimes
Yeah.
I'm stubborn.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, sometimes with those people, like I can say that my husband, mother, father, and my younger brother, with these guys, sometimes I'm stubborn. Yeah, it doesn't mean that I'm not like that with any other. If it is necessary, then that time, that time I also.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
next, what
That's
I can
great.
say about me, yeah, I take care of my family members very much, and I always think about them more than me. Yeah,
Hmm.
I am
That's a
always
great.
curious about them, always takes care of them. Yeah, in
That's
for them,
great.
I'm
Yeah,
very
very
much.
nice.
They are my weakness. I can say, in simple, I can say that they are my
Hmm.
weakness. And yeah, one more
Okay.
thing, I'm very religious.
Religious.
Yeah.
Okay, that's also good. All the points whatever you said, so it was great. Yeah, you are
Hmm.
a very nice and kind person, I can say. Right? Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, that's great. That's very great. Okay, so can I ask any other questions?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, whenever we have a conversation with the people, like sometime we talk with the people like that superior than us or better than us. So we just after completing our conversation, just we try to ask the feedback,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Like in which part I am lacking or like in which
Hmm.
part we have to work on.
Hmm.
So like what do you think that it is beneficial? Like if we want any kind of feedback from the people or just some people say okay you have to work in that and that part and so sometimes we feel like we take it on at our heart,
Hmm.
right? So like what is like it is necessary, it really works to get a feedback or just no we shouldn't ask any kind of feedback from the other person.
Actually, I would say that 101 percentage it is very necessary to ask for feedback. I always do
Hmm.
that whenever I speak with somebody, I mean, senior to me, whatever the ground it is, whether it is English or whatever it is. Whether my senior teacher, whoever it is, I ask for the feedback. Then only we can improve, right? Otherwise, we will keep
Hmm.
on doing the same mistake over and over. So I always ask for the feedback, and even
Hmm.
if I am not asking for the feedback in between the conversation or in between the class, if they suggest us something to improve our side,
Hmm.
then definitely I accept that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So do you take it as a negative way or just positive
No,
way?
positively. Then only we can improve, right?
Hmm.
We should not
Yes.
because I wish we should not behave like an arrogant. So I
Hmm.
think we
Yeah.
have to ask for the feedback, and if we didn't ask for the feedback, even though they suggest anything for our betterment,
Hmm.
then that time I think we have to accept that and we have to work on that.
Exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
because we are talking with the people who are that senior than us or who has a great knowledge
Hmm.
than us. So that time it is good that like to ask the feedback because they can easily suggest us in which part we have to work.
Yeah.
And we have to take this type of feedback as a positive way,
Hmm.
right? Because some people are here just they think okay why that person, some people have this kind of persona that they just can interrupt with the people in between, so
Hmm.
that is also not good because in between we shouldn't say because some people are speaking something in a flow or we just interrupt that person in between, so that is not good, but
Hmm.
later we can suggest them
Yeah.
like you
But
did that.
the way how they react, the way does matter.
Hmm. Yeah, does matter. Yeah, it is matters like because feedback is necessary. In that way, we can just rectify our mistake, right?
Yeah.
And we can come to know in which part we have to work. So it is good. Like we most of the time, ask the people like in which part we have to work.
Hmm.
So it is a good way. Then we can easily come to know and on which
Yeah.
part we have to work or
Yeah.
which kind of things we are lacking,
Hmm. Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Otherwise it would seem like um, uh, I mean I can say that a frog in a well. They
Hmm.
that frog never,
Yeah, right,
it
right.
is not possible to come
Never
out of
go
the
out.
well, right?
Yeah. Yeah, they don't think like we have to have the growth mindset.
Hmm.
If you are just fixed mindset, so you will not think out of the box. But
Hmm.
if we want to improve, so we have to go extra mile or think out of the box, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
We just leave our comfort zone, right? If
Yes.
we want to improve more. So this is the thing, like we have to think a lot and
Hmm.
try to improve.
Yeah,
right? So
correct.
for that way, we have to
Hmm.
work a lot
Yeah.
and search other things like in which part we have to work or in what we have to do for
Yes.
improving myself,
Hmm.
right? So
Yeah.
yeah, this
Hmm. Yeah, there are some persons who behaves like pompous, but I think it is not
hmm,
good. We have to
not good.
we have to ask for the feedback, and we have to work upon our mistakes. Then only we can broaden our horizon, right?
Hmm,
Hmm.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
You are speaking in a fluent way. Wow, that's great.
But sometimes I'm not confident. Not sometimes. Most of the time, I'm not satisfied with my way of speaking. I know I make a lot of grammar mistakes. I know we should not use also at the end of the sentence, but mostly I do the same.
Yes.
I do the same.
Because we are
Habits with that.
accustomed to use these kind of things.
Mm.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I
So.
also do like in
Mm.
between we have to use also, and at last if we want to use, so we have to use as well
Yeah.
instead of
Chu,
also.
TOO.
Hmm.
Yeah, but
Exactly.
yeah, in that sense, I can say, yeah, it is also. I would like to say that whenever I have mentioned almost 300 vocabularies in on this notebook, but still
Oh yeah.
sometimes I'm not able to incorporate that words in my conversation.
Hmm.
That is my first weakness.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is
you
also
mentioned
my
the
weakness.
word. You have mentioned the word
Yeah.
in our conversation, utter, and
Hmm.
I do
Okay.
have the synonym of the word in on my notebook, and I have noted
Okay.
it down the last day, yesterday, but now I don't remember that.
Okay.
So now, after
Okay.
finding up the call, I have to search for that word.
Okay.